No matter if it seems impossible, no matter if it takes time, no matter if you have to be up all night, just remember the feeling of success is the best thing in the world. Your goals, your targets should scare you so much that you should wake up in the first ring of your alarm, that you should shut down your internet when you have to study. No, I am not saying it should scare you like a monster, not at all. I am telling you it should scare you like a train. Listen to me, like a train to your dream destination. If you will miss it, won't get ever again. Things doesn't change in a day, doesn't change overnight. It's going to take time. It's going to roast you till your roots. Test your patience, see your limits, map your determination. Believe me, it's going to make you cry, make you feel like you're lost, make you fall, make you feel like you're stuck in a single place from ages, make you sick. But it's going to happen. Your success will come. It has to. And when that day will arrive, you are going to cry a river of happiness because you will know what you have done to get here. Because you will know that you have finally made it. Get up and start. Just start from wherever you are. No matter if you are at the most beginning, in the middle, or somewhere to the end. Start it. Resume. Clear your head. Tie your hair. Roll your sleeves. Drink water. Don't think it's impossible. No, it's not. Do little by little. Read. Search. Hell, you have Google. You have internet. You cannot say that you didn't get the materials and information. Go run, find, sit and learn, ask for help, download inspirational movies, inspirational speeches, inspirational quotes. You've got one life and make sure you make it successful. Go press the button of your mindset and run, study hard because only you can make it possible. Study while others are sleeping. Work while others are loafing. Prepare while others are playing. And you will enjoy while others are regretting. And you don't want to be the one regretting, right? You have to study hard right now at this very moment. Everyone literally has the same 24 hours. Some dreamers consumes it in dreaming and some dreamers consumes it in working. Choose yours. You are not doing any favor on anybody. It's completely for yourself. Just for yourself. You want to make your parents proud, sure. But it's not only that. You want to be successful. You want to be recognized by your work. You want to be outstanding. You want to be rich. It's for your own good. You are not doing a favor to anybody on this earth. Every minute you waste by doing nothing at all, remember, someone is working hard to get that seat in the college. Someone is practicing their ass off for that interview. Someone is denying their sleep for making better projects, for studying better, for getting better marks, for getting a rank. Someone out there have their eyes on your job position, on your seat, on your course. Remember that. When you're making a schedule, Fill it properly. Work according to it. Do not let laziness have a time slot in your timetable, or else there will be plenty of time slots in future to regret. I am telling you, regret is the worst feeling in the world and success is the best. For regret, you have to be lazy today. For success, you have to work hard till the very end. Listen to me. This moment, this exam can be your life-changing spot. So work hard. And working hard does not mean that you will turn yourself into a machine. No. Sleep and take rest. Take planned breaks. But work hard, as you will be never given a chance like this again. Never, never. Yaar, you will have your share of bad days. You will not be 100% productive every day. It is not possible. But you have to make sure that you keep going. No matter how productive or unproductive your day was, tomorrow is a new day and you have to start fresh. You have to work hard. You have to prove everybody wrong. Just remember this. You can't calm the storm, so stop trying. What you can do is calm yourself. The storm will pass. You will get good grades. You will get whatever in life you want to. If you do not give up, if you focus on yourself instead of focusing on others. Pata hai kya? You can do this. And even if you cannot, you have to do this. You have to do it for yourself, for your parents, and you have to prove everybody else who says you cannot. You have to. Please work hard because no one else is going to push you except yourself. Trust me when I say this, success is not easy. You have to put yourself on fire. बोलते हैं ना, एक आग का दरिया है और तैर के जाना है. That's success. That's hard work. In case you haven't heard this by anyone, you can be whatever you want to be and you will be. Just keep working hard. Do not give up. And listen, I am proud of you.